Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make egg salad sandwich without mayo. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, cooled and peeled. For that creamy texture without mayo, we'll use 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Also, have 1 celery stalk and 2 tablespoons of fresh chives ready for a delightful crunch and fresh flavor. This method is quick and incredibly tasty. Now, let's get mixing. Take your peeled, hard-boiled eggs and place them in a medium-sized bowl. Use a fork or a potato masher to gently mash the eggs to your desired consistency. Next, add the 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Stir everything together until it's well combined and beautifully creamy. This is where the magic happens. To elevate the flavor and add some wonderful texture, it's time to incorporate our fresh ingredients. Gently fold in the finely chopped celery and fresh chives. These additions provide a fantastic crunch and a burst of fresh, herbaceous notes. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or even a dash of paprika for a pop of color. It's almost ready. Your delicious, mayo-free egg salad is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Spoon it generously onto your favorite toasted bread, a crisp lettuce wrap, or even crackers for a lighter option. Garnish with a few extra chives or a sprinkle of paprika for a professional touch. It's a healthy, flavorful alternative that you'll love. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.